Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing either uBlock Origin or Stylus. These are the tools that let you remove interface elements. Once installed, open YouTube and use the browser inspector to identify the /dislike button selectors. Make sure to note class names and container ID. While doing this, keep the inspector open and test a temporary rule. This immediate step gets you into the page structure, so you can write a precise rule that targets only the thumbs up and down. Now write the actual rule. For Stylus, create a new style for YouTube. And add display none for the /dislike selectors you found. For uBlock Origin, open my filters and add a cosmetic filter like www. YouTube, it toggle button renderer. Style scope targeting the buttons. Once done, reload YouTube and confirm the buttons are gone. If YouTube updated classes, go back to the inspector and tweak the selector. That iterative test and adjust approach ensures the rule remains effective. Finish by saving and exporting your custom rules so you can restore them if needed. Make sure the rule targets only the button elements to avoid hiding other controls. If the UI breaks, immediately disable the rule and refine the selector with more specific attributes or parent containers. If buttons reappear after updates, use the extensions logger or the inspector to find new class names and update your rule. This gives you a maintainable workflow to keep the buttons hidden over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.